Let's look at some horrible weather. That's Convective Significant Meteorological Information, WST. So this is issued for severe thunderstorms, where surface winds, for example, are greater than 50 knots. This is going to be issued. If we have hail at our surface and it's greater to 3/4 inch in diameter, or tornadoes, that makes sense. They are issued to advise pilots of embedded thunderstorms, multiple lines of thunderstorms, or thunderstorms that are heavy. So thunderstorms with heavy or greater precipitation that affect 40% or more of a 3,000 square mile around the actual thunderstorm is going to be in this Convective Significant Meteorological Information report. And you'd find these very helpful if you're a remote pilot. Though I don't know how you could miss it just visually. However, that's going to be it with Chapter 3A, Aviation Weather Sources. Next, we'll look at the effects on weather on small unmanned aircraft performances.